This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. If you know any better app, you can go for it, but we usually use the Turbo VPN, this one, since it is free and, well, pretty convenient, if you ask me. So let's quickly get it. Then launch the app, tap at the green continue button, then skip the ad that will follow. And in order to set up the VPN connection, finally, you gotta tap at this cute carrot icon over here, then confirm the connection request, or accept it rather, and then wait for the rabbit to do its magic and connect your device to VPN. So as you can see, this time the rabbit was not able to do the magic, but that's fine. Usually you can fix those connection issues by just manually connecting to any other server than the first one that you'll have. So here's the servers list. The first one is Netherlands, so probably the app is trying to connect me to one of those servers but fails, so I'll manually connect myself to, let's say, Strasbourg, whatever, however you pronounce it, I'm not sure. And as you can see, it connects to VPN with no problems. Now while at it, we can reconnect ourselves to, let's say, Germany, and it should also happen quick, fast and hassle-free. Even though the app decided to shut down for some reason, but well, those technical issues, they happen. Just unfortunately, they do happen during the video. Did happen during the video, but well, what can you do, I guess? Not much. So let's try to connect one more time. And then in order to disconnect from VPN, let me skip the ad first. So back to what I was saying, in order to disconnect from VPN, you gotta simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.